So my people, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make cassava fufu. I just buy some yesterday and I don't peel them, wash them, slice them. So remember this very one, remember to remove them from the center, otherwise it no will smooth. After I don't wash them, I put some for my blender and I grind them gently. I not to put them made for smooth well the way I want. So after I don't blend and finish, I put time for my pot and see I'm now the fufu be this on the fire. So I begin to turn them and now continue something. If you leave if it burn from the bottom that is under the pot, so I continue like that. So you can see the way it turns out now. So after some time, I'm going to add water. I will add water and cover am, make cook for some minutes. After then I will start to turn am again. So by this time it done. I just want me done well, so now make me add small water and I turn again. So right now the fufu done ready. See as e fine, smooth. Oh my goodness, I devour this fufu with this wonderful soup. E enter. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like am, give am thumbs up. Bye.